Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss first and second problems in exercise 10.2 in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? Okay, first problem in exercise 10.2. See, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Right? Look here. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on hemisphere. Right? So height of the cone is 4 centimeters and the diameter of the common diameter of the cone and hemisphere is 6 centimeters. Then find the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy means what we have to find? Yes, surface area of the, which means CSA of the cone plus CSA of the hemisphere. Understood? Yes, let us do. Yeah. So write down first. Given cones diameter is equal to diameter. D is equal to how much? 6 centimeters given. Next, that implies its radius. Its radius R is equal to D by 2, no? 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeters. Right? Next, its height. H is equal to, yes, 4 centimeters. Right? Actually, what is the CS of the cone? Pi or L. Here, slant height. L means slant height. We don't know. First, find slant height. So, L. Yes, slant height. Slant height. H is equal to root of, slant height L is equal to root of H square plus R square. So, this is H square how much? Yes, 4 square plus R radius 3 square. So 4 square plus 3 square is 16 plus 9. So that is root 25. So this is plus or minus 5, but positive value we have to take now. So L is equal to slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. Right. So its volume. It's a volume. CSA of the cone. What is the formula? Pi r L, right? So that is pi means here what we have to take? Pi is equal to 3.14 now. So 3.14 into radius is 3 into slant height is 5. Right? 5 3s are 15. With 15 multiply 3.14. 15 4s are 60. 6 is there. 15 1s are 15 plus 6. Yes, 21 2 is there. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 2. Yes, 47. So here after the point there are 2 digits. So that's why before 2 digits we have to keep the point. That is equal to 47.1 centimeter square. So what is this? CSA of the cone. Right. Next, given hemispheres. Radius is equal to how much? Actually diameter already. Diameter 6 centimeters, then radius is equal to, already we have found. Yeah, that is 3 centimeters now. So 3 centimeters. Next, it's a CSA of the hemisphere. What is the formula? Yes, pi 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square, right? So that is equal to 2 into pi means 3.14 into r square, which means 3 into 3, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. With 18 multiply 3.14, right? 18 4s are 72, 7 is there. 18 1s are 18 plus 7, 25, 2 is there. 18 3s are 54, 54 plus 2, 56, right? So here after the point there are 2 digits. So before 2 digits we have to keep the point 1, 2. This is also centimeter square. So 56.52 is the CS of the hemisphere. So what we have to find now? Surface area of this toy. Yes. Therefore surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of the cone plus CSA of the hemisphere, right? Hemisphere. CSA of the cone how much? Yes, 47.1 centimeter square plus this is 56.52 centimeter square. So that is equal to, see, add here 47.1, 56.52. Add 2, 6, 3, 1, 10. So that is equal to 103.62 centimeter square. So surface area of the given toy is 103.62 centimeter square. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Next, second question. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at other end. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters and the heights of cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the total surface area of the solid. Here solid has given it is in the shape of right circular cylinder. Next a cone at one end and a hemisphere at another end. So we have to find the total surface area of the toy or solid. Here see, here dimensions have given. Height of the cone is 6 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Next radius of the common bases are 8 centimeters. Right. So what should we find first? Yes, first CSA of the cone, next CSA of the cylinder and CSA of the hemisphere we have to find. Then we have to add. Then it will comes to total surface area of the solid. Right, let us do. Yeah. See first, given cones height radius is equal to, radius r is equal to how much? 8 centimeters. Next height h is equal to how much? Yes, 6 centimeters. Yes, what is the CSA of the cone? Pi or L, right? Pi or L, no. So L not given. So first we have to find L. Slant height we have to find, right? Yes, slant height L is equal to root of h square plus r square, no. So that is equal to, L is equal to root of h square, 6 square plus 8 square. So that is root 36 plus 64. Yes, this is root 100, which means, yes, 10. L is equal to 10 centimeters. Right, L is equal to 10 centimeters slant height. Now CSA. CSA is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, pi or L. Pi or L. Pi is equal to, we have to take 3.14 because he has given, no? Yeah. Yes, 3.14 into radius how much? Yes, 8 centimeters into its slant height is 10. So this is 3.14 into 80. Keep like this. So centimeter square. Right? Next, cylinders. Cylinders. Yeah. Radius is equal to how much? Yes, 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Next, height is equal to h. This is r. Height is equal to 6. Sorry, 10 has given, no? 10 centimeters. Next is CSA is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, right? So that is equal to 2 into pi, 3.14 into its radius is 8 into height is 10. Right? Yeah, this is 3.14 into 2 8 16. 16 into 10. 16 times are 160. So this is also centimeter square. Keep like this. Next, hemispheres. Hemispheres. Yes, radius. Radius r is equal to, yes, it is 8 only, na? 8 centimeters. Next, its CSA is, CSA of the hemisphere is, yes, 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So that is equal to 2 into the 3.14 into its radius is how much? Yes, 8 into 8. So this is 3.14 into 8 8 is 64, 64 2 is 128 centimeter square. Understood? Yeah. Now area of the total surface area of the solid is equal to, yes, CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere, right? Yeah, so this is 3.14 into 80, 3.14 into 80 plus this is cylinder 3.14 into 160 plus this is 3.14 into 128, right? If you do common 3.14, what are the reminders? 80 plus 160 plus 128. So that is 3.14 into 80 plus 160 is 240, 240, 360, 368. Isn't it? 80, 160 is 240 R. 240 plus 120, 360 plus 8, 368. Now multiply these 3.14 into 368. 3.14 into 368. 8 4s are 32, 3. 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is there, 8 3s are 24, 25. Next, 6 4s are 24, 2. 6 1s are 6, 8. 6 3s are 18. Next, 3 4s are 12, 1. 3 1s are 3, 4. 3 3s are 9. Yes, 2, 5. 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 2, 15, 1, 10, 11, 15, 1, 11. So that is equal to 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 2. Here, after the point, how many digits are there? Yes, 2 digits. So we have to keep before 2 digits the point, right? So 1155.52 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So therefore, total surface area of this solid is equal to 1155.52 centimeter square. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.